Hello students, let's continue chapter 13th of science of class 7th, that is motion and time. Today's topic is measuring speed. Having learnt how to measure time and distance, you can calculate the speed of an object. We will perform activity 13.3 to find the speed of the ball moving along the ground. Students, in this activity, you have to draw a straight line on the ground with chalk powder or lime and ask one of your friends to stand 1 to 2 meter away from the line. Let your friend gently roll a ball along the ground in a direction perpendicular to the line. Note the time the ball crosses the line and also the time it comes to rest. Measure the distance between the point the ball crosses the line and the point it comes to rest. Repeat the activity in different groups and record your observations in the observation table 13.3. Students, for this you can use a scale or a tape measure. Students, in each case calculate the speed of the ball and complete table 13.3. Speed of any object can be calculated using the formula speed is equal to total distance covered by an object upon total time taken by an object. Once you know the speed of an object, you can find the distance moved by it in a given time. All you have to do is to multiply the speed by time. So we will use the formula distance covered is equal to speed multiply time. By this formula, time taken is equal to distance upon speed. You can also find the time an object would take to cover a distance while moving with a given speed. So students, you have to learn these three formula to find the speed, distance covered and time taken by an object. So students, the speed of an object can be measured if we know the distance covered by the object and the time taken. For example, if a car covers a distance of 100 kilometers in 2 hours, then the speed of the car is distance covered is 100 kilometer and time taken is 2 hours. So speed is equal to distance upon time is equal to 100 upon 2 is equal to 50 kilometer per hour. So we get speed is 50 kilometer per hour. Same, if we know the speed of the car and the time, we can find the distance covered by it. As you know that distance is equal to speed multiply time is equal to 50 multiply 2. 50 is speed and 2 is time. So we get 100 kilometer. So distance covered by car is 100 kilometer. If we know distance covered by the car and the speed, we can find the time taken. So time is equal to distance upon speed is equal to 100 upon 50 is equal to 2 hours. So students, you can calculate the speed, distance and time of any object. Speeds of some living organisms are given in table 13.4 in kilometer per hour. You can calculate the speeds in meter per second yourself. Buzu wants to know whether there is any device that measures the speed. Students, you might have seen a meter fitted on top of a scooter or a motorcycle. Similarly, meters can be seen on the dashboards of cars, buses and other vehicles. Figure 13.7 shows the dashboard of a car. Note that one of the meters has kilometer per hour written at one corner. This is called a speedometer. It records the speed directly in kilometer per hour. There is also another meter that measures the distance moved by the vehicles. This meter is known as an odometer. So student, this is clear. Speedometer is a device which measures the speed of a vehicle in kilometer per hour, and odometer is a device which measures the distance covered by a vehicle. Students, this is the end of today's session. We will continue this chapter in next video. Thank you.